Hey guys, it's Full Lopez here, back with another video. In this quick step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you A to Z how to buy Bitcoin on Binance. So first step is to sign up on Binance. You can find the link in the description. You can use that and save 20%. After you have signed up, this is the page that you will first see. Okay, so when you create your account, you will automatically be generated wallet. So it's like a normal wallet, but it's just a cryptocurrency wallet. Okay, every time you buy cryptocurrencies or get cryptocurrencies, trade cryptocurrencies, your assets will show up right here. Just like here, it says Bitcoin. So whenever you buy Bitcoin, it will show up right here in your own wallet. Now to buy that Bitcoin, it's very easy. All you have to do is go to here where it says buy crypto, and you have 5 ways to pay with. So bank deposit, credit, debit card, P2P trading, cash balance, and third-party payment, Simplex and banks. Okay, so out of those 5, I have been used bank deposit, credit and debit card, and third-party payment. But I recommend now using just credit and debit card because it's so easy. It's just so easy. I'm going to show you. And by the way, it says euro here because I'm currently in Europe. But if you're, for example, watching this from United States, it will say USD as soon as you log into your Binance account. But anyway, after that, all I have to do is click credit and debit card. And here you can buy cryptocurrency straight up with your credit card. It's it's very easy now these days. Back when I started, it wasn't like nearly as easy as it is now, but you can just come here and where it says buy crypto, all you have to do is it's already set on Bitcoin automatically, and the currency is already set depending on where you are using the Binance. So for example, like I said, if you're from the United States, it will show USD right here. So all you really have to do when you come to this page is to set how much Bitcoin you want to buy. So that is the first step. So here's how to buy with bank card. So the first step is to input amount. Select how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Then just confirm payment details. After that, so you click buy BTC, then you confirm payment details, then you complete safety certification. After that, the payment is completed. And then when you go back to your wallet, the Bitcoin that you just bought will show up right here in your wallet. Okay, so it's that easy. It's that easy. But quickly, I want to also show you how to sell your Bitcoin. If you want to sell your Bitcoin, all you have to do is go to trade and classic. And here where it says search, type in here BTC here, and here you can see all the different pairings for Bitcoin. Okay, all the different pairings. So you can sell Bitcoin for any of these other currencies if you want. Okay, so look at, there's so many. Okay, but for example, if I want to sell my Bitcoin for cash, for like euros, I can come here and type get Bitcoin/euros. By the way, like I said earlier, if you're from United States, it will automatically say Bitcoin/USD. So if you want to cash out on Bitcoin, all you have to do is go to Bitcoin/euros or Bitcoin/USD. Then come here, scroll here. So here's limit. But I don't use limit, so it means that you can time the market. But I just use market buy. That means that it will automatically get the best. Binance will automatically get the best pricing for you. I always use market because that means that you can instantly sell it. With limit you have to wait, but market you can just instantly sell it. So okay, so click market and then just sell BTC. Now you select how much Bitcoin you want to sell. For example, if you want to sell all of your Bitcoins, just go with 100%. But if you want to, for example, sell 50%, then you just go with 50%, and then it will sell 50% of your Bitcoins and trade that into euros. Okay, so that's how you can cash out on Bitcoin. Now, if you can also keep trading. If you want to trade your Bitcoin in the, let's say that you want to trade your Bitcoin into, let's take some random one here. So let's say like Nano. If you want to trade your Bitcoin in other cryptocurrencies, all you have to do is come here and click the cryptocurrency that you want to trade to, and then here buy Nano, of course a market, and then just buy Nano, and then select how much Bitcoin you want to sell to buy the Nano, and then just buy Nano. And every time you click these buttons, the trade will execute, and when you go back to your wallet, you will see your purchases always in your wallet. So that's how you can buy Bitcoin on Binance. That's how you can sell your Bitcoin on Binance, and that's how you can cash out your Bitcoin on Binance. So that's how you do all of those things. Okay, so if you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me a lot, and also smash that like button. It would help also me a lot. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and leave comments down below, and I'm here to help you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos.